guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. All right guys, today is finally that day. I am so excited. I am revealing the winner of my brand new giveaway that I'm doing here on this channel. It's my blood money giveaway this time. As you guys know, every time Jeffree does a launch or mystery boxes of his own, I also do a giant giveaway here on this channel. I usually do a mystery box filled with Jeffree Star cosmetics. They're always over the top, they're always amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to see this one. Now, stick around to the very end of the video after I do the unboxing of what the winner has won. Their name will be displayed on the screen. Congratulations to the winner and good luck. Let's jump right in and see what you've won. By the way, guys, if you're interested in this look I'm wearing, I just finished filming a holiday glam tutorial using the Blood Money palette. I'm obsessed with the way it came out. I will link that up here in case you guys missed it, so definitely check that out. I know I always say this for every one of my mystery box giveaways, but this time I really think I took it there. I am so excited, and let's jump right in. Okay, let's start with the little ones first. So we have the gloss in the shade Wet Peach. This is absolutely beautiful. It's a really metallic-y, super pretty gloss. You're definitely gonna love it and get a ton of use out of it. All right, let's see what the next item is. This is the Calabasas Velour Lip Liner. I actually recently used it in one of my videos. I love the way it looks. It's such a classically beautiful color. It's very vibrant. Love these liners, by the way. I did a whole dedicated video. They're absolutely beautiful, especially now that he's reformulated them. They're so lovely. In case you're interested in the liners, I will link a video up here. I definitely go more into depth in that about the formula. But yeah, congratulations to the winner. You just won yourself a Calabasas Velour Lip Liner. The next item in the box, now I say this all the time, but this literally lives in my purse, does not come out of my bag. This is the gloss in shade Legends Only. It's absolutely beautiful, guys. It's the perfect sheer gloss. Like I'm saying, it's that gloss that lives in your bag that you get a ton of use out of. This is so beautiful. I don't want to open it up. I want it to stay nice and pristine for the winner. But yes, Legends Only, the gloss is the next item in the box. As you guys know, if you do use Jeffree Star cosmetics, or even if you don't, guys, this gloss formula is absolutely beautiful. It stays on the lips a good amount of time. You know, all of that good stuff. It's not too sticky. It smells like absolute heaven on earth. Love. Next item is a velour lip scrub. Of course, I could not complete this box without including one of these. These are absolutely amazing. I've used a ton of different lip scrubs from different companies. I really like the quality of these ones. I always use this when I'm going to be going in with a velour liquid lipstick. Those tend to be a little bit more drying. When you do the scrub, it really plumps up your lips. It also removes any dead skin or flakiness. Love this. Strawberry gum is a delicious flavor. I only recently purchased it and I love it. So you're going to adore this. Congrats to the winner. Let's see what else. All right. Let's start with something we kind of already knew was in the box, and that is, of course, the Blood Money palette. I'm not going to open this one. I want it to stay nice and pristine for the winner, but can we just... This outer packaging still has me shook. I've mentioned this before, but this has to be the best palette that's come out from JSC since Jawbreaker. I have not been able to stop using it. Congrats to the winner. You're about to feast your eyes on this beauty. You're going to love this palette. I'm obsessed, and you're going to be obsessed too, promise. All right, next item in the box. Boom, Bloodlust. This has to be one of the most gorgeously packaged palettes ever, like ever created ever. It is so stunning. I'm gonna show you mine because I, again, don't wanna open this one and keep it nice and pristine for the winner, but this is stunning. The packaging is everything. The color story is so beautiful. It's the perfect addition to really anybody's collection. You're going to love this, and I'm so happy to be able to give this away to you. Congrats again to the winner, and let's see what else we got. All right, guys, the next item in the box, boom, Mini Breaker. This is absolutely so loved. Jeffree just recently dropped it again. So many of you requested for him to bring it back, and that's exactly what he did. As we know, Jeffree always listens to his customers. This is such a beauty. I will show you the inside in case you haven't seen it, in case you live under a rock and you haven't seen it. It's stunning. It's the perfect little pop of color. If you wanted to go on vacation and you didn't necessarily want to take a giant pan with you, this is perfect for just a little pop of color moment. I love it. The quality is amazing. I have used this so many times. I continue to reach for it all the time, even though it's an older palette. It's stunning, guys. If you don't want to commit to the entire jawbreaker, this little guy is such a perfect addition to get that color without having the giant palette. Love, love, love this. Congrats to the winner. Let's see what else. All right, this next item, how could I even call it a blood money giveaway unless I included this? And that is the Money Honey Lip Bundle. This is so, so beautiful, guys. I am obsessed with it. I've used it a ton. This shade here, this neutral brown one, it's called Deep Pockets. It's so, so stunning for a fall or a winter brown. I love it. And again, I know you're not necessarily gonna go for a green lip every single day, but these are eye safe as well. If you wanna ever jazz up your eye looks, you could go in with any of these here with a liner brush and really take it there. I love these. I love that it's eye safe and it's perfect for anyone's collection. Congrats. Are you ready for the last item in the box? How could I call this a blood money giveaway without including this? We have the Blood Money Chrome Hand Mirror. I personally have the soft touch hand mirror. I love it. I love the size of it. I personally though think this is way cooler, but I had to gift one of you with it. I love how it's chrome. It really takes that money factor there. Obsessed. That is the box. I'm gonna throw up the giveaway winner here. Congratulations. Thank you so, so much for your continued support. It means so much for me. Every message, every like of one of my pictures of any content I put out, it really, really means so much that you are so supportive and kind. I truly wish I could pick more than one winner. I wish I could give all of you guys something because you truly deserve it. You're all such ride or dies. You're always trying to push me out there and I love that. Thank you so, so much. Now, I am planning on doing a giant holiday giveaway, so please don't be discouraged if you didn't win. There's plenty more chances to win. If you're regulars here on this channel, you know that I always do giveaways whenever Jeffree has a mystery box or a launch of his own, and I definitely plan on continuing. If you want me to continue, guys, give this video a like. Leave me some comments down below. That'll really let me know that you want me to keep doing these giveaways because I really, truly, it's from the bottom of my heart. I really enjoy doing these for you guys. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Congratulations again to the winner. You totally deserve it. Please enjoy each and every one of these goodies. Please, guys, if you like this style of video, give it a giant thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. What did you think of the items in this giveaway? Are you as shook as I am? Would you trip out if you won this? Definitely leave me some thoughts down below. And if you haven't already, guys, please make sure you subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.